Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and today I'm going to be seeing how much I can knit in 12 hours. So right now it is currently 7:43, so 12 hours, 7, 8. I should have known that. So at 8 o'clock tonight I'm going to stop and see. That's when the 12 hours end. But oh god, but I'm going to be knitting this flat sweater that I've been working on. It looks like this so far, and this is the front panel, so I'm literally almost done. So I feel like I can definitely finish the front panel in this video like in 12 hours, because I mean, I'm literally like kind of almost done, and then maybe I can even start on the, what's it called, the back panel. I don't know, but we will see. But that's how much I've gotten done with this sweater. I'm actually using Impeccable, which is weird because it's actually so drapey, but when I crochet with Impeccable it's like super stiff, at least when I crochet with like a 4mm hook and do half double crochet. So stiff, and working with this and feeling how drapey it is, it's so weird. But anyway, this is a sweater. I'm knitting it flat, just the front panel, blah blah blah. Hopefully I can finish it by 8 p.m. tonight. We'll just see, you know, what happens. But as of right now, I'm just gonna be knitting this all day and seeing how much I can accomplish in 12 hours. That's all, so let's get it. Okay guys, I actually changed, but it's still the same day. Trust me, I just needed to change my top. But let's get it. Let's get it now. Onyx, say let's get it. Onyx, the camera's right here. Yep, yep, let's get it. Yep, thank you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, I'm getting to the length I want. Like, this is so perfect. I think this is the length I want. I'm gonna do like like 4 more rows, and then I'll start my collar. Okay guys, it is 5:55 and I am getting ready to split for the neckline, which is exactly what I wanted to get done today, so let's continue that. Okay guys, it is 8 o'clock and I finished, let me brighten this, this way. And I finished, that's too bright. And I finished one side, that's super bright. I finished one side of my panel and it looks like this. I just have this to do, but I'm actually not going to continue this because it's 8 o'clock right now and I have to edit this video tonight and post it for tomorrow. But I'm going to finish like the whole thing, but you guys won't see it in this video, but I will be finishing it tonight. But I didn't even put a, what's it called, a progress keeper to even see where I was. But I mean, I did that and like maybe like this much today, so I would say like that much, but I really didn't put a progress keeper, which was not smart. But that's how my panel looks, and that's how much I got done in 12 hours. yeah, that's all I had to say. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure, oh my gosh, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.